Dismissed in the name of justice seems appropriate.
I'll set over for 1 month and we'll pick a new.
I'm not joking about that, to be honest with you.
What's that?
Dismissed in the name of justice seems appropriate at this moment.
Well, I don't have the authority.
You said that you're sorry to waste your time. Yeah. So based upon what I've been studying law, right then and there, you've admitted that, right, the speedy trial, and that I wouldn't waste your time at all. So dismissed in the name of justice seems most appropriate in this situation. And I could even go into detail about the details that will even add more evidence to it, in addition just to us, what you just said.
Well, let's do this. Let's do this. If you'd like to file a written motion that incorporates the bases for your request on a motion to dismiss, and file it, I'll be happy to review it. And then the city attorney will have an opportunity to file a response to it. And I'll either grant it, well, maybe it'll be me, maybe it won't. It'll be granted or denied.
Would that be today?
If you can file it today.
I did already. For me, it's a fairly simple matter. I'm getting groomed for facial military, political, and church service at the highest level. Yeah, Judge Zachary Malkison already said dismissed in the name of justice for the same case, same issue. So I have that from another judge in a higher court. Yeah, since we're currently homeless, I was hoping to go camp out in Arizona and leave immediately. So this is why I was hoping to resolve this today. I don't like to be homeless in the cold, and I have family and some support down there. So after living here in Boulder at the Bluebird for 10 months and participating in everything that Judge Kahn and the municipal courts and everything that my services, that I think I need to do, I've been doing that above and beyond. So I've been studying the law. I've been working on counseling all the homeless people, all walks of life, practicing, continuing my studies to be a preacher, an astronaut, a politician, a teacher, and a doctor. And I'm constantly looking at things in a new light. And I realized, I need all my teachers, I need to give them a round of applause and a big congratulations for all the things they taught me without me realizing it. And I realized that through being involved in all the courts here the last 4 years in Boulder, it's allowed me to feel comfortable in the courtroom and to be able to be even more cool and more of a doctor-like thinking and keep my emotions in check. I'm recovering from a traumatic brain injury. So I usually warn people right away, hey, I'm recovering from a traumatic brain injury. Yeah. And it's called pseudobulbar effect. And I have a really hard time controlling my laughing or crying reflex. So about 6 years ago, I was assaulted, and it was the start of a long journey for me. So I'm currently down here, I'm putting all my effort into constructive ways, constructive anger, using all my weaknesses for my strengths. Every time I help people, I kind of would say, well, I'm going to use that advice for myself. Let's just resolve this more community service, because I would like to take care of that and then leave town for a while and go somewhere where it's warm. Being homeless in the cold is not easy. So I was hoping to leave town as soon as possible.